Welcome to Passport Prep, your ultimate travel companion. Today, we're shifting gears and hitting the open road as we explore the top 5 recreational vehicles perfect for long-distance travel. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior with thousands of miles under your belt or a first-time traveler looking to embark on an unforgettable cross-country journey, choosing the right RV is essential for comfort, convenience, and adventure. From luxury motorhomes to rugged off-grid campers, we'll break down the best options to suit every type of traveler. But first, subscribe to our channel, Larry Ulrich, the spot for culture, film, sports, and travel around the world. At number 5, we have the Highland Open Range 3X, a premium fifth-wheel trailer that stands out for its exceptional combination of spaciousness, durability, and advanced design features tailored for long-haul travel. Engineered with extended journeys in mind, this RV offers a range of customizable floor plans to accommodate different lifestyles and preferences, ensuring that travelers can create a home-like atmosphere on the road. The 3X designation refers to its impressive 3-inch wall thickness, a feature that enhances insulation and temperature regulation, making it an ideal choice for maintaining comfort in a variety of climates, from scorching summer heat to chilly winter conditions. Built with heavy-duty materials and a strong frame, the Open Range 3X is designed to withstand the wear and tear of long-distance travel, providing both reliability and longevity. Whether you're planning a multi-state road trip, an extended stay at a remote campsite, or a full-time RV lifestyle, this fifth-wheel trailer delivers the space, convenience, and resilience needed for an unforgettable adventure. Securing the 4th spot on our list is the Entegra Coach Accolade XL, a Super C motorhome that seamlessly blends high-end luxury with robust power, making it an exceptional choice for travelers who demand both comfort and performance on the road. Built on the reliable Freightliner S2 RV chassis and equipped with a powerful diesel engine, this motorhome delivers a smooth, stable, and commanding ride, an essential feature for those embarking on long-haul journeys across diverse terrains. The Accolade XL's interior is nothing short of impressive, boasting an expansive, well-appointed living space designed to rival upscale residential homes. Travelers can enjoy high-end finishes, including solid surface countertops, premium cabinetry, and residential-style appliances, such as a full-sized refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a spacious induction cooktop, ensuring that mealtime on the road is both convenient and enjoyable. Additionally, the motorhome's intelligent design prioritizes ample storage space, offering an abundance of compartments and cleverly integrated storage solutions to accommodate all essentials for extended travel. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Accolade XL stands out for its superior craftsmanship and advanced engineering, incorporating innovative soundproofing technology and climate control systems to enhance overall comfort during any season. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a full-time RV lifestyle, or a weekend getaway with family, the Entegra Coach Accolade XL is a powerhouse on wheels, delivering an unparalleled combination of durability, luxury, and functionality for those who refuse to compromise on quality while exploring the open road. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Renegade Valencia, a Super C motorhome that has earned a stellar reputation for its robust construction, thoughtful design, and exceptional performance, making it a top choice for long-distance travelers who prioritize both durability and comfort. Built on a heavy-duty Freightliner S2 RV chassis, the Valencia delivers a powerful yet smooth ride, ensuring maximum stability on highways, mountain roads, and varying terrains, making it ideal for cross-country adventures. This motorhome is available in multiple floor plans, including family-friendly layouts with bunk beds, making it an excellent option for travelers who need additional sleeping arrangements without compromising on space or comfort. Inside, the Renegade Valencia is crafted to mirror the coziness of a high-end residential home, featuring premium finishes, modern furnishings, and residential-grade appliances that make life on the road feel effortless. The spacious living area is thoughtfully designed with ultra-comfortable seating, a full entertainment system, and panoramic windows, allowing travelers to enjoy breathtaking views from the comfort of their home on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped with a large refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, and solid surface countertops, enabling travelers to prepare home-cooked meals no matter where their journey takes them. Storage is another highlight of the Valencia, with ample overhead and underbed compartments, as well as thoughtfully integrated cabinetry to ensure everything stays organized during extended travel. Furthermore, The state-of-the-art climate control system and superior insulation technology ensure a comfortable experience regardless of weather conditions, making this motorhome a reliable companion for year-round travel. Securing the runner-up position on our list is the Bolus Road Chief, a luxury travel trailer that masterfully blends timeless vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge modern technology, making it one of the most stylish and practical choices for long-distance travelers seeking both efficiency and elegance. Inspired by the iconic designs of the 1930s, the Road Chief features a sleek, aerodynamic aluminum shell, which not only gives it a distinctive, retro-futuristic look, but also enhances fuel efficiency by reducing drag, making it an ideal option for long-haul journeys. Unlike many conventional RVs, its lightweight construction ensures that it can be towed effortlessly by a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs and electric cars, broadening accessibility for road travelers who prefer a streamlined and eco-friendly towing experience. Stepping inside, the interior of the Bolus Road Chief is nothing short of a masterpiece, offering a meticulously crafted living space adorned with premium materials, handcrafted finishes, and an intuitive layout that maximizes functionality without sacrificing style. Travelers can enjoy a fully equipped kitchenette with high-end appliances, ensuring that gourmet meals can be prepared no matter how remote the destination. The bedroom area is designed for maximum comfort, featuring a luxury memory foam mattress, while the bathroom offers spa-like amenities, including a seamless shower system with modern water conservation features. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery system, integrated solar panels, and efficient power management technology, this trailer can sustain power for several days of off-grid living, allowing travelers to venture deep into nature without sacrificing essential conveniences. Beyond its functional advantages, the Bolus Road Chief is designed with security and connectivity in mind, featuring keyless entry, remote temperature control, and a built-in air purification system, creating a health-conscious and secure travel environment. The Bolus Road Chief offers an unparalleled combination of efficiency, comfort, and luxury, proving that traveling in style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Topping our list at number 1 is the Fleetwood Fortis 36Y, a Class A motorhome. Designed with extended travel in mind, this gas-powered motorhome features a brand new floor plan that incorporates 2 full bedrooms and 1.5 baths, making it an ideal option for families, couples, or full-time RVers who desire additional space and privacy while on the road. Unlike many other Class A motorhomes in its category, the Fortis 36Y offers a well-thought-out layout that maximizes both comfort and convenience, ensuring that every journey feels more like home than just another road trip. Inside, the Fleetwood Fortis 36Y showcases a modern high-end interior packed with luxurious amenities that enhance the travel experience. The spacious living area is adorned with premium furnishings, LED accent lighting, and plush seating options, including a reclining theater sofa, a dinette, and a full entertainment center equipped with a large LED smart TV and surround sound system, perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving or exploring. The fully equipped kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting residential-style appliances, including a stainless steel convection microwave, a 3-burner gas cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and solid surface countertops with ample prep space, allowing travelers to cook gourmet meals even while off the grid. The 2-bedroom layout is one of the Fleetwood Fortis 36Y's standout features, offering a spacious rear master suite with a king-size bed, a large wardrobe, and an ensuite half bath, providing privacy and comfort that rivals a traditional home. The 2nd bedroom, equipped with bunk beds or an optional sofa bed configuration, is perfect for accommodating children, guests, or even creating a dedicated workspace for digital nomads. Additionally, the main full bathroom includes a spacious walk-in shower, a porcelain toilet, and contemporary fixtures, ensuring that hygiene and comfort are never compromised during extended road trips. This gas-powered motorhome is constructed on the Ford F-53 chassis, powered by a robust V8 engine, ensuring smooth handling, powerful acceleration, and reliable fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for long-haul travelers. It's no surprise that the Fleetwood Fortis 36Y claims the #1 spot on our list, making it the ultimate choice for travelers seeking the perfect blend of spacious living, modern amenities, and reliable performance on the open road. Thank you for joining us for the top 5 RVs for long-distance travel. We hope this guide assists you in making an informed decision for your next adventure. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so choose an RV that makes your travels comfortable, enjoyable, and memorable. Did we get it right? If we missed your favorite RV, let us know in the comment section. Safe travels, and until next time, keep making Passport Prep your ultimate travel guide, and see you on the next destination.